Hello friends, this is another video in which we discuss a short trick as to how do we perform integration by parts. Now the formula, as you know, is if you have two functions, the integrand consists of multiplication of two type of functions. The functions can be either inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. This order of priority is something which you should remember. So if the formula is let's say the integrand is multiplication of two type of functions where fx is the higher priority function and gx is a lower priority function, then the formula is fx outside integral of gx minus differential of the first function integration of the second function, and whatever comes as an answer we integrate that once again. Take a very simple example. Let's say we have x sin x. So x is an algebraic function which has a higher priority, so it's a first function, and sin x is a trigonometrical function, it is function number 2. Let's do the integration. So according to formula, so fx is x and gx is sin x, so it would be x outside and integration of sin x, then we have dx minus differential of the first function which is 1 and integration of the second function which is sin x is minus cos x, and whatever is the answer we are integrating it once again. So basically it becomes, so integration of sin x is minus cos x, so the first function is x into minus cos x, and the second function minus and minus become plus, and integration of cos x is sin x, right? Now what happens if you have a slightly say a higher power function in algebraic? For example, if I say x square into sin x, in that case you will have to apply integration by part 2 times, because what you will get is x square into integration of sin x, right, according to formula, minus differential of the first function which is 2x and integration of the second function sin x is minus cos x. Now again you can see that the second integration again consists of two different type of functions, so you will have to use integration by parts once again. Now what if the function was, let's say this was x to power 4 into sin x, then you have to do the integration by parts 4 times. So is there any shortcut? Yes, there is a shortcut. So what you can do is, this is a first function and this is second function. So remember, there's a first bracket. In the first bracket, put the first function as it is, integrate the second function and retain the sign of the function with the answer as a separate thing. Don't mix the signs of the first and the second functions. So in the first bracket we have, the first function is as it is, the integration of sin x is minus cos x. Remember to keep the minus sign with the cos x. This is first bracket. Now second, differentiate the first function which is 4x cube and integrate the second function which is now minus cos x, which will be minus sin x, right? Then third one, differentiate the first function which is 12x square, integration of minus sin x is cos x, because integral of sin x is cos x, so the sign get cancelled again. Then differentiate the first function, it would be 24x and integration of cos is sin x. Then differentiate the first function, this would be 24 and integration of sin x would be minus cos x. Remember to keep the sign of the function separately. So effectively we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 terms. Now put a alternate plus minus sign and that's your answer. So for this you can verify that the answer would be, the first bracket is, so answer would be minus x to power 4 into cos x, minus minus become plus, it becomes 4x cube into sin x. Third bracket is plus, we have 12x square into cos x. Fourth bracket, sorry, it's a minus sign, so it is minus 24x into sin x, and then the last one, the minus sign is there, which is 24 into cos x, and universally we put the constant of integration. Hope you enjoyed this trick. Thanks for watching this video.